morning students. Today we are going to try the exercise problems. The remaining problems we are going to solve the problems. And here what we are seeing is estimating the sum. So how will you estimate? First we have to round off the number and then we will estimate the sums. The numbers, how much numbers are given, that numbers we have to first round off, and to the nearest tens we have to round off, and then we will add those two numbers. So first sum it is given here. So the word problem is given. So first one I will do, the second sum you are going to do as your homework. I will explain it to you how to do and then do that as your homework sum. The first one is solve the word problems by rounding off the numbers, find the estimated sum and the actual sum. So what is in the question? They asked us to round off the number to the nearest tens, that is to round off the numbers. Then find their estimated, we have to find estimated sum and as well as the actual sum. So what is in the first question? See, in a zoo there are 367 brown ducks and 462 white ducks. How many ducks are there in total? Total means adding, just sum. Adding those two numbers you will get a total. So what and all we have to add? The brown ducks and the white ducks. So what is the number of brown duck? 367, and here white duck number is 462. So write that number first. First write the brown duck. Brown duck and the white ducks. First you have to give the places for each of the one. So how up to which place you will write? Up to hundreds place. Why you are writing up to hundreds? Because it is a 3-digit number. So you are writing up to hundreds place. So write up to hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. So now fill the values in the places. 7 in the ones place, 6 in the tens place, 3 in the hundreds place. This was brown ducks. And then for white ducks, what is the number? 462. So 2 in the ones place, 6 in the tens place and 4 in the hundreds place. So what is the question? How many ducks are there in total? So total ducks. So total ducks you have to find. Okay. So you are going to find the total number of ducks. What is given in the question? First we have to round off the number and then you have to estimate the sum and then the actual sum. How will you estimate the sum? Have to round off each of the numbers. First what you have to do? To estimate sum. To estimate the sum, first we have to write up to the places, ones, tens, hundreds. So now fill the numbers. What is the number? 7, 6, 3. And the next number is 2, 6, 4 in the hundreds place. Now we have to round off each of the numbers. First write the places, ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So 7, you have to round off the number, we have to look at the ones place number which is more than 5. So you have to write 0 in the ones place and add 1 to the tens place number. So write 0 in the ones place and add 1 to the tens place. 6 plus 1 is 7. So write as 7. And then here 3, hundreds place. So write that number as it is. You are going to round only up to the tens place number. Tens up to nearest tens only you have to round off. So 2, check to the ones place which is less than 5. So you have to write 0 in the ones place and write the remaining numbers as it is what is given there. 6 and 4. So now you have to add those two numbers because we have to estimate the sum. We have, after rounding off we have to add those two numbers. At first in the ones place, 0 plus 0 is 0. And then next in the tens place, 7 plus 6, 7 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. Say after the number 7 which is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is a 2-digit number. 13 is a 2-digit number, so you have to write outside. So where we have found the 13? In the tens place we have found 13. So you have to start from the tens place. So 3 in the tens place, 1 in the hundreds place. So take 3 to the tens place number and carry over hundreds place, that is 1 to the hundreds place. So what are the numbers in the hundreds place? 100, 300 and 400. So first number in the mind and the next number in the finger. Say after the number 1 is 2, 3, 4. Now 4 should be in the mind and the next number in the fingers. Say after the number 4 is 5, 6, 7, 8. So write the number 8 in the hundreds place. So this is estimated sum. So we have found for estimated. So now we are going to find actual sum. We have first rounded off the number. We have rounded off each of the numbers and then we have estimated the sum by adding these two numbers. Now we are going to do actual sum. So actual sum is nothing but the same number you are going to write and you are going to add those numbers. So write the places up to hundreds. Up to hundreds you will write and then fill the numbers 7 and 6 in the tens place and 3 in the hundreds place. And the next number 462. 2 in the ones place, 6 in the tens place and 4 in the hundreds place. Now you have to add these numbers. The given numbers just write that and in the places and then add those numbers. 7 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. See after the number 7 you will get the answer as 9. So after the number is 8, 9. So you got the answer as 9. So the next number you have to add to the tens place number. 6 in the mind, 6 in the fingers. See after the number 6, then you will get the answer for the tens place. So 6 plus 6 is 12. So which is the 2-digit number. So write outside. So we have found in the tens place. So you have to start from tens and hundreds. So take 2 to the tens place and carry over the 1 to the hundreds place, which is in 100. So what are the numbers? 100, 300, 400. So you have to add these three numbers. One should first number in the mind, second number in the finger. So after adding these numbers 1 and 3 you will get as 4. Now take 4 to the mind and 4 in the fingers. By adding those two numbers you will get as 8. So write as 8. So this and all, by simple numbers and all, you already know how to add mentally the 2-digit numbers and 1-digit number. So likewise only I am saying that 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger means that is the ordinary thing. In the mind itself you can calculate. After 3 what is the number? Only one number only you have to add. So you will get as 4. Then 4 plus 4. So you are adding that two numbers, you will get as 8. So adding that numbers we have got as 829. So you all know how to add the number 3-digit numbers. So I have done for you. This is actual sum and this is estimated sum. So this is the thing that is given, that we have found that three things. First we have rounded off the number and then estimated the sum and the actual sum. So we have found how many ducks are there in total. So the total number of ducks are 829, which is the actual answer, and the estimated sum answer is 830. There are two answers for this. That is, for one is estimated sum answer and then actual sum answer. So you have to write the ducks. How many ducks are there? For estimated sum we have got the total number of ducks as the 830 and the total number of ducks we have got by the actual sum is 829. Likewise only the second sum also, in a hive there were 1228 honey bees in the morning. In the evening 2421 more honey bees fly to the hive. Find the total number of honeybees in the hive in the evening. So what is given in the question is, in the morning how many honeybees are there means 1228. In the evening while we are seeing, we have found more than that. More than that means how many more it is given, that is 2421 more honeybees fly to the hive. So that much have been fly to this much one is fly to that hive. So total number of honeybees in the hive. So first it is 1228 and then next it is given as 2421 more than that. Idu poga இன்னும் இருக்குது அதிகமாக இருக்குது. So totally how much it will be we have to find. Total means we have to add those two numbers. So how will you add those numbers? You also know how to add a 4-digit number. I have done for 3-digit number. For this 3-digit number I have done, you are going to do for 4-digit number. Up to which places you have to write? Up to thousands place you have to write. Ones place, tens, hundreds and thousands. Like the same way only you have to fill it. No need to give place values for this. Just write the numbers as it is in the solution part that I have given, what is given and what we have to find. First we have to write this and then write the estimated sum and then find the actual sum. The same procedure for this sum also. First write what is given in the sum in the solution part and then what we have to find in this question what did they have asked. So after that write the estimated sum. First write the given numbers and then round off the numbers to estimate. So after rounding off estimate the sum and then do the actual sum. So here up to thousands place you will write, then fill the numbers in the places that each of the number, each value should be placed in the places and then you have to add those two numbers. You all know how to add the numbers orderly. First in the ones place, then next in the tens place, then hundreds and at last in the thousands place you will add. Here without regrouping only it will be, it will be so easy. First place you have to add in ones, then in the tens, hundreds and thousands place add those numbers. First number should be in the mind and the next number in the fingers. So you can use trickyly you can use the max sums also. So now we shall see to worksheet problem. See to the reference picture given here. Help Arzu solve the addition problems along her way to the temple. We are going to help Arzu that we are going to add all the given block, that white blocks are given there, right? So white blocks are given in that in the black color letters the numbers are given there. So add those numbers and find the way for the temple. We are going to help Arzu. So we are helping Arzu to add those numbers and to reach the temple. So first number started with 6,000 plus 3,000 it is given. From that we have to start. The Arzu is starting from there and she needs to reach at the temple. The number is given, that is 7,222 plus 2,525. The way is going like that. See to that nearby the temple, the numbers are given accordingly. See to the root which is given there and it ends that by the temple. The last number is 7,000 plus 1,000 is given. So add each of the numbers. You all know how to add a 3-digit number and a 4-digit number. You also know how to add more than the numbers 2 or 3, more than the 2 numbers you know to add. So here the given only 2 numbers and 3 numbers also given. 3 numbers are given, which is 3-digit numbers are given here and 2 4-digit numbers are given there. So find each of the answers and guide the Arzu to find the temple. So find the way for her to reach the temple. So starts from 6,000 plus 3,000 and ends with 7,000 plus 1,000. After finishing that addition, you will find the answer. You find the way to go for a temple. And the next one we are going to see is knowledge nugget. See here, knowledge nugget, that is hundreds can be grouped as one sentence, which is that we are revising what we have seen in this chapter. So hundreds can be grouped as one sentence. How the hundreds will be grouped? Ones and the tens. Ones and tens it will group hundreds. And next one, 10 hundreds is equal to 1,000. So you know 10 hundreds will make, that is which is equal to 1,000. 1,000 has how much? 10 hundreds it will have. 10 hundreds will make 1,000. You all know that is a block, that flats will make one block. So that is 10 hundreds is equal to 1,000. And the next one is 4-digit numbers are added in the same way as 3-digit numbers. As we are adding for the 3-digit number only, for 4-digit number also. At first in the ones place, then tens, then hundreds. This is for 3-digit number. Then 4-digit number means after hundreds place is thousands place. The digits in the ones place are added, followed by the digits in the tens, hundreds and thousands places. And now next one is a number can be estimated by rounding it off to the nearest tens. How will you estimate? First we have to round off the number, then only we can estimate the number. A number can be estimated by rounding it off to the nearest 10. To the nearest 10 we have to round off. You know how to round off the number. First we have to look at the ones place number. If it is less than 5 means you have to write 0 in the ones place. Write the tens place number as it is, and the remaining numbers also same as the same. If it is 5 or more than 5 means what will you do? You have to write 0 in the ones place and add 1 to the tens place number. If there is 2 in the tens place means you have to add plus 1, then you will get as 3. So, this is the way you have to do it for rounding of the number. First we have to round off and then to estimate. The last one is the sum of a 3-digit and 4-digit number can be estimated by rounding off the numbers and then adding them. Here what is given? The sum of 3-digit and a 4-digit number. 3-digit and a 4-digit number is added. For that we can be estimated. How it can be estimated? First we have to round off the number. After rounding off we have to add those numbers. You know to round off and then we have to add those two numbers. So this is the thing that we have learnt in this chapter. And now one challenge I have given for you, that is the sum of two 3-digit number is the greatest 3-digit number. Find the two numbers by using the following clues. Here there are clues given. By using this you are going to do this as your homework sum. So find this, what clue is given, identify that and then find the answer. So just I am explaining you just find the answer alone. So here what is given? The sum of two 3-digit numbers. The two 3-digit numbers are added. You know what is meant by 3-digit number? Up to 100 place it will be. There are two 3-digit numbers. While we are adding those two 3-digit numbers, we will get the answer as greatest 3-digit number. You know what is the greatest 3-digit number? What is the greatest 3-digit number? It's 999. So while we are adding those two 3-digit numbers, the two 3-digit numbers are not given. So while we are adding those two numbers, we will get the answer as 999, which is the greatest 3-digit number. So answer we know we are going to find that two numbers. Find the two numbers by using the following clues. The two numbers we are going to find by using the given clues and then find the answer given below. Okay. First clue is the first number has 4 in the hundreds place and 6 in the ones place. Hundreds place what number? 4. In the ones place you have to write 6. So in between tens place alone not given. So you are going to find that number. By using this also you can find. And the second clue is the second number has 6 in the tens place. In the second number the tens place number is 6 and the remaining ones place and hundreds place are not given. So with these clues you are going to find the answer. Take these clues also. With this you find the answer. How you know how to find the missing numbers, right? You know we have learnt how to find the missing numbers. How you will find? First there are either places ones, tens and hundreds, because it is a 3-digit number only. So write up to hundreds place. Then first clue is the first number 4 in the hundreds place, 4 in the hundreds place, 6 in the ones place. 6 in the ones place and 4 in the hundreds place, and here the missing number is there, and then the second number has 6 in the tens place. In the second number 6 in the tens place and the remaining numbers we are going to find, and we know while we are adding these numbers we will get us 999. 9 in the ones place, 9 in tens and 9 in the hundreds place. So you know how to add the numbers, and we have to find the missing numbers what is given here. How will you find? 6 in the mind and the second number you will take in the fingers. So here we can't take that number in the finger. So what you will do? You will count up to 9. Up to 9 you have to count. 6 in the mind. Say after the number 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have got 3. So what number in the fingers? 3. So write that number in the missing box. So likewise only you have to find the answer. So find the answer, what is the first number, find that, second number find, and choose which one is the right one. Okay, this is a homework part for you. So this is a challenge you are going to do. We have revised that what you have seen in this chapter, and the next one is mental maths. Here mental maths means we are using the tricky thing, that is so easiest way of addition. So here you have to know some friendly numbers. What are the friendly numbers? If we are adding 10 plus 10 you will get us 20. So you know 10 plus 10 is 20, while we will count by fingers also. But here mental maths means just by adding mentally, in the mind itself you have to calculate. So 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30. So you know the 10 counts. and 20s counts, that is you know to skip by 2s, 10s, 5s. So these are some of the easiest way to find the answers. And here some more friendly numbers, which are 25 plus 25 is 50. So 50 plus 50 is 100. Likewise we can find 25 plus 75, which is 100. So as I said, here there are few problems that is given for you mental maths. So you are going to find that in easiest way. Before that you have to know about friendly numbers, that are you know must know about that. So 70 plus 25 is 75 plus 25 is 100. Likewise 85 plus 15 is 100. So likewise you have to know more numbers, that is 55 plus 45 is 100. And 75 plus 25 is 100, and then 65 plus 35 is also 100. So likewise you have to know everything, you have to know. 85 plus 15 is 100, and 95 plus 5 is 100. These are some of the friendly numbers, you must come to know about this. Then 45 plus 55, the reverse number, this also can be this 25 plus 75, 35 plus 65, 15 plus 85. So while we are reversing number also you will get the same answer. So these are some of the things that you must come to know. And 50 plus 50 is 50. These are all the things you have to come to. 25 plus 25 is 50. Sorry, 50 plus 50 is 100. So 25 plus 25 is 50. So these are all the things that you have to come know. These are some of the things I have given to you. So find which are easiest, how to find easiest way that adding those two numbers, how we can find. So find that and do the sums in the mental maths. So first I am explaining how we can add this number easy way. 278, 425 and 300. So these three numbers we are going to add in the ordinary way. How we will add? First we will give the places and then give the values for each of the places, and then we will add from the ones place, then to the tens, then to the hundreds. So I am going to explain in the easiest way. First you have to come to know about the sum of the friendly numbers. So here I am taking 728 and 425. First I am going to add these two numbers, and at last I will add this number. So see to here 278, 425. So you already know that is 225. Check to the last two digit number 25. The 25 is added to which number we will get as 100. So think to that. So 25 to which number is added? 75, and we will get as 100. 75 plus 25 will get us 100. So see to that. Here the number is 78. So we can easily change that number. How we can change? We can split as 275 plus after 5. How will you get? How I am writing 5? I am reducing the number 3 from that number. So add that number 3. Then write that number 425. So now you can easily add those numbers, and then at last I will add the number 300. First add these two numbers, okay. First you are adding these two numbers, then you will get the answer as 275, 425. Last two number is 100. So write last two numbers as 0, 0. So 1 is there, right? So you have to add that 1 to the third number, that is 100's place number. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So you will get as 700. Then there is 3 plus 300. So now you can add these two numbers now, because the last two numbers are 0, 0. So write as 0, 0, and then 7 plus 3 is 10. So write as 10, and then at last add that number 3. So now you will get the answer as in the ones place you will write as 3. So the answer is 1003. So you got as easily. While you are adding in the ordinary method, that actually what we will do by writing the places and then give the values, and then you will add from the one, start from the ones place, tens place, hundreds, and then to the thousands place for the 4-digit number. Here 3-digit number. So by this easiest way we can do. First splitting this number. First take the last two numbers. Here 25 is number. So to 25 what number can be added to get 100? So 75. So split that number 78 into that like this, 75 plus 3. So 275 plus 3, the same thing. While we are adding 75, 275 plus 3 is, we will get the same number 278. So same thing I have written here. So after adding this number, writing this number, then add this number 425. Then at last add this number. Then after that what you are going to do is, you are going to add these two numbers. Last number is 75 and here 25. Add that number, you will get as 100. So write last two zeros here. Keep 1 in the mind and the remaining numbers 2 here, 4 here. We have left right. We have to only these last two numbers. The remaining left is 4 and 2. So 1 in the mind. So calculate every numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7 we have written. So 700 we have got. Then the remaining is 3 is here and 300 here. Then the last two numbers check. There is 0, 0. So this will be so easy. So write that 2 zeros last. Then 7 plus 3. 7 after 8, 9, 10 you be calculating like this. So do by mentally the max. The 7 and 3 is calculated as 10. So we got as 1000. Now the remaining one is 3. So 1000 plus 3 is 1003. And here the next one is 507 and 300. Here 507 and 300, how can we add? Here we can split the number as 500 plus 7. 500 plus 7. Then the another number is 300. So first we can add these two numbers because the last two numbers check there is 0. So we can easily add that number. So write 0, 0. Then add the hundreds place numbers 5 and 3. So you will get as 8. So write as 8 plus the remaining number is 7. So write 7 in the ones place. So you will get the answer as 807. So this is the thing that is given for you. This is the easiest way by adding the numbers. This is we are going to do in mentally. The first one is given for you. See, check to the page number 63 that is given. Add the given amounts to help Azu find the total amount her mother needs to pay to the shopkeeper. So some of the items are given for you. So we are going to find the sum of totally how much amount she needs to pay for the shopkeeper. Each book's name, each item names are given there. Comic books, cartoon CDs, table mats, pen stand. So we are going to add those numbers in the mentally you are going to do by adding those numbers. As I had said, the simple maths you have to going to use and find the answer. Then the next one, see to that, tick the correct option. There are 3 sums are given there, 363 plus 437 plus 500. So use this way of method that by using this friendly numbers you can use and you can find the answer that is given. There are first one, there are 3 3-digit numbers are given for addition, and second one there is one 4-digit number and one 3-digit number and a 2-digit number there and one 1-digit number. So while we are adding these numbers, you will get the answer. You know how to add the numbers easily. This is in a, it's look like a standard form. So see to here 2000 plus 600 plus 60 plus 6. This looks like a this looks like the expanded form. So while we are adding, how will you write? First 6 in the ones place, 6 in the hundreds tens place, 6 in the hundreds and 2 in the tens place. So easily you will get the answer. So this is a simple way that you have to think. And the next one, 900 plus 23, add to 27 gives, added to 27 gives. So 900 plus 23, first you have to add those numbers, it will give the answer as 27. To 27 gives, 900 plus 23 added to 27 gives. While we are adding that number, it will give one answer that we are going to find. Then the third one is find the sum. 777 plus 123, we are going to add those numbers only. So adding is easy for you. So do that by using this method. What I have said for you, the 3 sums are given for you, do as your homework sum and complete the addition statement. There are few sums are given, only 2 numbers are given there, 3-digit number and a 2-digit number. First give the place values. So I am saying one sum for you, that is the D sum I am saying. is 990 plus 710. First, so now we are going to add these numbers. How will you add? First we have to check the ones place number, because it is a 1, 0 is given here, so write 0, and then here check to 10. Now check to this number. How will you add this number? First take the ones place. In the ones place there is 0. So write 0. Check, you are first checking to the ones place, got a 0. Two places also 0. So you are writing 0 in the ones place. Then see here 99, here 71. So you can add like this also. In the last two places you can take the 90 and the 10 you can take. Last place is 0, you are writing 0, and then you can take 90 and 10 is 100. So you know 90 and 10 is 100. So you can write 2 zeros and the 1 should be in the mind. Then you are adding the number 1 in the mind, and the 9 and 7 are remaining. So you are adding 9 and 7. So what is 9 and 7 adding that number? You will get us already 1 in the mind. So easily you can add 1 and 9. So you will get us 10. So 10 plus 7 you will get us 17. So write that number as 17. So now you got the answer as 1700. How we have checked? Last number is 00. So write 0 here. And check to the last two numbers. It is 90, 10. So easily you can take the tens numbers. So 9 plus 1 is 10. That is, which is 90 plus 10 is 100. So you can write 100. 0. Last two numbers you can write, and 1 in the mind. And here 9 is given. Remaining 9 is there. 7 is there in the hundreds place. So you can add these numbers 9 and 7. So it's some difficult there. So you can add to that number what you kept in your mind, that is 1 and then 9. So 1 plus 9 is 10, and easily you can add to that number 7. 7 you can write in the ones place. So you got as 17. So write that number 17 here. So the answer is 1700. Actually what you will do, you will place the values ones, tens and hundreds. You will place, then you will write the number and the second number, and then you will add from the ones and the tens and the hundreds. So this is the easiest way. How to check the last two numbers? Already you are seeing last two number is 0, write is 0. By taking last two numbers you get as 100. So writing another 0, take 1 in the mind and adding 1 to the 9 and you get as 10, and here 7 you got as 17. So you got the answer. So this is a simple way you are doing here. The remaining sums also like this only. Find a shortcut way and find the answer and send it to me. Thank you, students.